Right, now in this video, we are going to do our first task, entering the opening balances. Okay, I'll show you how to enter opening balances in VTTransactionPlus. As you can see here, that JRN, this is called journal. So once you click here journal, you can see there are three types of journal that we can enter. One, we can enter by classic style default, trial balance style. We can also import. Today, I'm going to choose a trial balance style. In trial balance style, first of all, we have to enter the date. First date is 1st of June 2024. We are entering opening balances. Next, we are going to enter one by one. When we enter the trial balance style, whatever assets that we will enter as a debit balance, whatever credit we will enter as a credit balance minus. Now here, first we have motor vehicle at cost. So we have vehicle at cost. The amount cost brought forward is 110,000. Next one, accumulated depreciations. Because it is a credit balance, therefore we have to enter minus. Next one, we have office equipment, fixed assets. It is office equipment is a fixed assets. That amount is £5,000. We are entering 5,000. Next one, we have accumulated depreciation of office assets, which is again credit balance 1,250. Next, we have bank current account. We have a bank and a bank current account balance that we have 5,000. Next one, we have petty cash. Our petty cash is £100. Done. Next one, we have trade debtors. So our trade debtors amount is 1,200. We can enter trade debtors amount 1,200. Next one, trade creditors. We have to enter trade creditors. Trade creditors is 2,500. Next one, we have VAT liability, net VAT. Trade creditors is a credit balance, therefore minus, and net VAT due, it is 450. Again, insurance payment, it is a prepayment, therefore it's an current assets that we have paid prepayment. So prepayment comes under current assets. Prepayments, £400 under debtors. Next one, accruals is electricity. Electricity accruals that we have under creditors. So if you go under creditors, accruals that we will have 300. Next one, we have share capital. Share capital brought forward 87,200. Share capital 87,200. As you can see that now running total is 0. If the running total is not 0, which means your trial balance is not balancing. Now we have successfully entered our trial balance. Done. Right, now we can close it. Now we can see how we entered, the transaction that we entered, we can go and see by display clicking trial balance. So this is the trial balance we have entered. Thank you very much for watching.